VirtualBox is a freely available open source software solution, runs on Windows, Linux, Macintosh, and Solaris hosts, and supports many guest operating systems. So VirtualBox is deceptively simple, but it's also very powerful. So let's go ahead and install it, give it a quick look. Hey there, so I want to make a particular hands-on demonstration in Windows for two particular reasons. One, I'd like to show you that the host is not critically important while preparing the lab. And secondly, I'd like the students using Windows as a host system to feel comfortable at the beginning of the course, because we're going to be using a Mac as a host system in general for the rest of the course. So simply by using your favorite web browser, type Virtualbox into the address bar. You will see the official site of VirtualBox is the first row of the results page. So it's virtualbox.org is the official site. So click on it. And on the left pane, there's the download menu item. So let's click it to see the download options. All right, so this is the latest edition when I was preparing the course. Now, there's a couple of options for the major hosts. So, by the way, what I mean about the host is that your main operating system installed on your computer. So click on the option, whichever is suitable for you. Right now, I'll use a Windows 10 machine as the host. So I'm going to download for Windows hosts. And while downloading VirtualBox, just scroll your mouse down a little bit and you can see that there's an extension pack to install as well. The extension pack helps your installation support different things like USB 2 and 3 devices. It's not an obligation, but it may help you to manage your installation easily. Now click on the link, All Supported Platforms. Wait a little bit. Might not take too much time. All of it has been downloaded. Go to my Downloads folder. Double-click on the X file. Click Next, Next, Next. And now it will install some virtual network adapters at this phase. So click Yes and Install. Now it's going to be installing for a while. And there it is finished. I don't want you to start now, so let's uncheck the box and click Finish. See, now's the time for installing an extension. After installation of VirtualBox, the icon has changed. You see that? So double-click on it and wait for a bit. Right, so now this screen comes up. Click Install. So go ahead and scroll down until the end, and you'll see that I agree button. It's enabled. So click on it if you agree, and, well, you should agree in order to use VirtualBox. So wait a second. Okay. So now you're done. Congratulations, you've installed VirtualBox. So please have a look and be familiar with the menus by yourself before you start. Virtualbox.org is the official site. And on the left pane, there's the Download menu item. So in the Downloads page, we have platform packages here. Click on OS X Hosts as a link for Mac devices. Now select the appropriate location for the installation package and click Save to start the download. When the download's finished, double-click on the installation package file, which has the .dmg at the end. Okay, so here you do what the instructions tell you. Double-click on the VirtualBox.package icon, click Continue, continue again, and Install. And then here I just enter the local admin password and click the Install Software button. Now, go to the Applications menu and click the VirtualBox icon to start your virtualization environment. Congratulations, you've installed VirtualBox.